Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What can I do if my browser does not support HTML5 video? Use a different browser. If you're having this problem with your browser, perhaps you should consider switching to a new one. Install Update Adobe Flash Player. Disable add-ons. Add plugins to support your browser. Modify the video link.
Take our lead.
There's more than one way to open an HTML file in Chrome. Open HTML file from within Chrome. Choose File from the Chrome ribbon menu. Then select Open File. Navigate to your HTML file location, highlight the document and click Open. You will see your file open in a new tab.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Local storage can be used as an alternative to cookies. It provides a chance to store more data. 4 kilobytes is the limit for cookies, and local storage allows using up to 10 megabytes, depending on the browser. Moreover, the process is more efficient. The browser does not send any local storage data to the server in any step.
Take our lead.
If your browser error, HTML5 video file not found, it means that your browser is not up to date or website pages does not have a suitable video codec. So, you should communicate with the developer to solve the issue and install all the required codecs.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Support for HTML5 web form features is improving, but not all web browsers support HTML5 features the same way. This page is intended to explore those new features and help you understand which browsers are supporting which features and to what degree. As a whole, this represents the current state of HTML5 forms.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Create element method. The getContext method is checked by accessing it on the created input object. The result of this expression is checked with an if statement. If the result is true, it means that HTML5 is supported by the browser.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.